Hello everybody again. Here's a question for one of my subscribers. He says, "Hello Sandy. He's working on a 2008 Vectra CDTI and it's a 1.9. There's 120 brake horsepower single overhead cam and he's getting a misfiring problem on it. So I remember I worked on one of these cars years ago and I actually done a Google search and the first thing that comes up is injector, faulty sockets at injector, especially number 3. So even when the car's sitting idling, Tony, if you give that a wiggle and see if it induces a misfire, or simply just take them off and clean them up, or tighten them up with a wee jeweler's screwdriver and put them back on, and see how you got on with that. So that's the first thing to check. The other thing I checked was another research was there's a problem with the engine coolant temp sensor on that model. So there's a wee picture of it there. So give that a wee clean up, a wiggle, or simply disconnect it and see how the car goes after that. Also, you can check the air mass meter. You could probably check that in your scan tool. I think you've got the Delphi scan tool. See what the output looks like that. Disconnect that again, see how it goes. The other thing I was thinking of was the throttle position sensor, or the accelerator position sensor. You could try that. Also check the fuel pressure when you're at idle and when you're accelerating. Graph, I think maybe graph about on the Delphi graph 46 PIDs. So you go for fuel pressure, actual and desired. What else could you graph? You could graph the air mass meter, graph the accelerator pedal position, engine coolant temp sensor. Although, see that engine coolant temp sensor, you're probably better to go into OBD, the street OBD, rather than going into the factory and see what the reading is there, because that'll give you a true reading. Because if it's dropped out, it wouldn't actually show you that in the factory. It would just show you a default value, a substituted value. So that's a few ideas for you, Tony. See how you got on. Cheers, lad.